Okay, hi everybody. This video features our new Ocean PPE blue shipping box, and I'm just going to run through how we would like you to use it. It's a reusable box, but it's for returning Ocean PPE equipment only. Please don't use them for anything else. One of the features of the box is that it does not require any packing tape. As you can see, it is secured using 2 heavy-duty cable ties. That's it, nothing more. Okay, first thing to mention is that all the shipping labels must go on top of the box here, please. Not on the front or the sides or the back, as our logos are on there. So, this is how it arrives, as you see it. So the first thing to do is to snip off the cable ties. Put your fingers in the sides after you've pulled the front out. And lift up the lid. You'll see on the back of the lid we've got some instructions there as to what it should be used for. So when you've got this equipment arriving with you and it's empty, just put the box in storage so you can come to it when you need to reuse it. Okay, so in the box is the document pouch, the immersion suit, and down the right hand side is your life jacket, and then the bag of equipment itself. As you'll see in the box, there are several zip ties in there for you to use when it comes on its return journey. Okay, so we'll just do what we've done in reverse. So the bag goes in first, leave a gap down the right hand side, pack the life jacket down there. In the back of the box there's another gap. We fold the rest of the bag into that space, which just leaves us enough room to pop the immersion suit on the top, along with the document pouch. What we'll do now is close it up. Once it's secured shut, now we just put in the cable ties. They normally go in from the top, but sometimes they may be a little difficult, in which case you can put them in from underneath. Or you can bend the end of the zip tie just to give you a bit more of an angle. There we go. Pop them in. Zip them up, not too tight, give them enough room just to manoeuvre a bit. It's best not to do them too tight. Finally finish off by snipping off the excess. And there we have it. So there it is, our new reusable tape-free shipping box that will make returning our equipment quicker and easier in 2020.